And we're back with an all-new episode of the event, your go-to source to find awesome new products from some awesome brands. And we've got some really cool stuff to show you, so let's get into it. These Oracle Lighting Vega Series pod lights are a great addition to your off-road rig. They're great for off-road enthusiasts and outdoor adventurers who are looking for high-quality, reliable lighting during trail rides at night. The LEDs deliver intense light output for excellent visibility. They're resistant to water, dust, and harsh environments. They offer consistent performance even in extreme temperatures. And they allow for mounting flexibility without altering the beam angle. The OE-level Deutsch DT connectors are reliable and durable. Thanks to the universal brackets and stainless steel hardware, installing the lights is simple. However, running the wiring should be left to someone with experience. The Vega series provides superior lighting performance at a lower price point, appealing to a broader audience looking for both quality and value. Their durability, ease of installation, and brightness make them attractive to new off-roaders and experienced users who value performance and reliability. The Vega series pod lights offer unmatched brightness and durability at their price point. With a unique patent-pending design, advanced thermodynamics, and high-powered Osram LED chips, they provide higher intensity and reliability than other 3-inch lights, making them stand out in the market. If you've already got the IBEX rack, but you're looking for a way to securely store your gear, you're going to love this new panel system. The IEX Panel Kit is a great addition for outdoor enthusiasts and truck owners who need secure, weather-resistant storage while maintaining easy access to their gear. It has gas spring-operated struts for smooth, hands-free operation. It's weather-resistant to protect against dust and water. The locking system protects gear from theft. The durable all-metal construction is designed for extreme conditions, and an integrated auxiliary light improves visibility and safety. Installation involves mounting the panels to an existing IBEX rack. The product is modular, so assembly should be straightforward for users with basic mechanical skills, though professional assistance might benefit those unfamiliar with such setups. The IBEX Panel Kit is perfect for adventurers seeking secure, durable, and versatile storage. Its modular design, weather resistance, and rugged build make it ideal for truck owners upgrading their gear. Features like gas spring struts, automotive-grade seals, a rear auxiliary light, and compatibility with crossbar accessories add practicality, while the lifetime warranty ensures peace of mind. These new BuiltRight bedside MOLLE panels are perfect for off-roaders, overlanders, and contractors who need organized and accessible storage. Tools, gear, and accessories can be attached to these MOLLE panels and kept out of the way. Utilizing the sides of the bed, these MOLLE panels optimize your truck storage space while keeping it tidy. They install using existing holes in the truck bed, requiring no modifications. They work with MOLLE and PALS accessories, and they include universal slots for diverse storage options. The durable design is perfect for reliable storage. The flexible configuration options allow you to store tools, straps, shackles, and more, and they make use of the sides of the truck bed. The installation is straightforward as it uses the factory mounting points in the truck bed and does not require any modification. The product appeals to truck owners seeking to maximize their functionality and organization without compromising their vehicle's integrity. Its compatibility with MOLLE and PALS accessories expands customization potential, attracting users interested in versatile, durable, and modular storage solutions. Getting stuck out on the trail is just part of the off-roading lifestyle, and having a set of traction boards available is a great way to get back out on the trail. With these new universal traction board mounts from BuiltRight, you'll be ready no matter how rough the trails get. Off-road enthusiasts, overlanders, and adventurers that use traction boards for vehicle recovery while off-road will find these mounts helpful. It appeals to users with a need for secure and versatile mounting solutions for their recovery gear. The universal compatibility adds versatility. They can be mounted to roof racks, cargo racks, MOLLE systems, and even more. They keep your traction boards readily available. They're made from glass fiber reinforced composite bases, and they're backed by a lifetime warranty. Installation is straightforward for users familiar with mounting accessories, especially when using BuiltRight systems. By offering unmatched versatility and compatibility, the BuiltRight universal traction board mounts appeal to overlanders and trail riders who like to hit the harder trails and may occasionally get stuck. The ability to adapt to various systems and the lifetime warranty separate it from competitors. Additionally, being able to mount them in different locations and the compatibility with popular traction board brands make it a standout choice for off-road enthusiasts. The Autometer Ford plug-and-play tack adapter harness will get your engine swapped Ford back out on the track or the road and help keep your RPMs where they need to be. This product is ideal for anyone performing late model Ford engine swaps, especially when conventional tachometer signals are unavailable. It's compatible with specific late model Ford engines. The OEM connectors allow for installation without cutting or splicing factory wiring. You can connect your Autometer tack adapter to the engine in minutes. Its compact size makes it easy to install in tight spaces, and it comes pre-measured for straightforward connectivity. The plug-and-play design with OEM connectors ensures compatibility and ease of use. Installation is simple and hassle-free, requiring no factory wiring modifications or splicing. This product simplifies the process of adapting tachometers for late model Ford engine swaps, attracting hobbyists and professionals seeking a quick, reversible solution. Its ease of use, support for multiple engine types, and reliability encourage adoption among those who might otherwise avoid complex wiring setups. Having an SUV is great, but being able to utilize all of your available storage is key. The Curt Pack-A-Cargo Caddy is an addition that will keep everything in its place. It's perfect for families and active individuals looking to maximize cargo space, organize compact cargo areas, and securely store cargo in any situation. It accommodates different cargo area sizes for versatility. The quick and easy setup requires no tools. It can support up to 50 pounds, and it's got a spacious tray with high walls. And when it's not in use, it can fold flat for space-saving convenience. Installation is very easy and requires no tools, making it accessible to any user. Simply unfold, adjust the straps, and it's ready to use. This product solves the problem of messy cargo areas with a foldable, durable, and practical design. It offers easy organization, space efficiency, and reliability for modern, on-the-go lifestyles. What makes this attractive is the universal fit for most SUVs and CUVs, adjustable height, lightweight material supporting up to 50 pounds, and a quick tool-free setup. Its compact foldable design ensures convenience and easy storage, making it a standout alternative to bulkier options. Having a messy work area isn't just unprofessional, it can be dangerous. Well, the new Pig shop-ready disposable microfiber wipers will help keep your area clean and dry, and they even work on rough surfaces. These are ideal for professionals in industrial, automotive, fabrication, and maintenance industries. They're particularly useful for tasks involving rough surfaces like unfinished cast iron, gears, and burred edges where you don't need any lint left behind. They're engineered for heavy-duty tasks and resistant to shredding or unraveling. The exact cut edges prevent fraying, shedding, and lint contamination during wiping. The wipers trap grease and grime effectively without bleeding onto clean surfaces. They're suitable for both wet and dry wiping because microfiber dries quickly. And they're available in multiple colors for workplace process differentiation. There's no installation required. They come in a convenient pop-up box for easy dispensing and storage on carts or shelves. The product appeals to users seeking a more durable, cost-effective, and low-maintenance alternative to standard microfiber cloths or disposable towels. This product outshines others with its greater durability for heavy-duty tasks, low lint design for cleaner results, and cost efficiency. Its pop-up box, quick-drying microfiber, and multiple colors enhance ease of use and workflow versatility. The Rhino USA adjustable drop hitch is a great tool for anyone who pulls trailers and needs the versatility of a reliable drop hitch. Perfect for yard trailers, boats, campers, and other heavy equipment, this hitch is suited for drivers needing precise height adjustments and secure towing connections. It offers 6 or 8-inch drop options for precise trailer leveling. It's got towing capacities between 8,000 and 12,500 pounds. And then there's the adjustable slider mechanism, dual pin system, and clear height markings for ease of use. And it includes 2 heavy-duty locking hitch pins with keys to prevent theft. It's designed for Class 3 and 4 2-inch receivers. The adjustable slider and dual pin system simplify the process of installing the hitch. Just slide it in and lock it down. This product combines convenience, versatility, and security, appealing to both experienced and novice towers by simplifying towing and addressing safety concerns. The Rhino USA adjustable drop hitch stands out with its high load capacity of 12,500 pounds, dual locking pins for added theft protection, precision adjustability with clear markings and smooth height alignment, and durable, heavy-duty materials for long-lasting performance. The arc lighting concept grill lights are perfect for off-roaders looking for discreet and powerful lighting, and let me tell you, they look as good as they perform. They offer an OE-style upgrade without bulky aftermarket designs. Professionals will appreciate its easy installation, while everyday drivers value its versatility for daily use, foggy conditions, and safety. It's also great for those needing street-legal lighting. The lights fit directly into the factory grille without cutting or modification. They offer high-performance light output, and you've got white and amber driving, amber fog, DRL, and strobe modes. They're completely street legal, and there's no need to remove the grille, which saves significant time for installers. You don't have to remove the grille or make any modifications to install these lights. This user-friendly approach significantly reduces installation time, making it an attractive option for professional installers. The concept grille will create new demand by bridging the gap between high-performance off-road lighting and OE-style integration. By offering a convenient, time-saving installation process, it lowers the barriers for first-time buyers and encourages adoption among professional installers and casual users alike. Unlike bulky light bars, it blends seamlessly into the factory grille, making it ideal for first-time buyers and professionals. And the multiple lighting options will give the driver what they need in almost any situation. This innovative design simplifies installation, saves time, and sets a new standard in aftermarket lighting. When you're driving, you know the safety is extremely important. I mean, you know what you're going to do, but you don't know what everyone around you is going to do. That's why Brand Motion has created their all-new radar blind spot system. The radar blind spot system with cross-traffic detection is ideal for drivers who want to enhance their vehicle's safety features, especially those lacking factory-installed blind spot monitoring systems. You've got blind spot detection indicators as well as lane change assist alerts. The cross-traffic detection activates during reverse to detect approaching objects. And the advanced radar processing reduces false alarms. It's compatible with all vehicles with plastic bumpers. Since it may require moderate automotive electrical skills, professional installation is recommended for the best results. By offering OEM-like performance in an aftermarket system, the product appeals to safety-conscious drivers of older and lower-trim vehicles without factory-installed systems. Its reliability, compatibility across vehicle models, and unique cross-traffic functionality broaden its appeal. This system is distinguished by its Automaker-validated components, the integration of cross-traffic detection, high accuracy in detecting moving objects, and its ability to minimize false alarms by 95%. It also avoids reliance on vehicle CAN systems or GPS, making it more versatile and reliable. If you want to learn more about these products, make sure to click the link on screen or in the description to find a local store near you. And if you're a store owner watching the event from TotalTruckCenters.com, make sure to fill out the form at the bottom of this blog article for a chance to win prizes. Thanks for watching the event. I'll see you in the next episode.